Hey everyone, it's your pal Derek Korn with Production Machining. Hopefully you read our April cover story with video that talks about the hows and whys of W.H. Bagshaw creating Walter Bat Company. Interesting story. And we also had Walter Bat Company make some custom bats branded for us for PMTS, Precision Machining Technology Show, coming up in April here, 18th through 20th. So real quick, just want to show you what they've got for us. You guys can have custom bats made up too from them. So we got one branded Production Machining. We have one branded with a PMPA. We have another General PMTS, but we had a fourth one made. And this one's mine. So I have not seen this yet. I did slice open the box to make this quicker, but this is a custom bat they made for me. Maple 33 drop 3, if that means anything to you. This is like a bat any Major League Baseball player could order for themselves, custom made. So they made this for me. I spec'd out the colors. Props to Jeff Norgard from Gardner Business Media for designing the custom corn logo that we're going to see here. I have not seen the bat, so let's take a peek. So this one we'll take out of the wrapper. Oh. The other ones we'll keep safe for the show. Oh, wow. So nice. Hopefully I'm in frame here. Laser etched logo, all the specs for the bat, Walter Bat Company decal. I forget the name of this taper, this handle. Apologies. Ink spot. Ask me about that if you see me at PMTS. So, yeah, this is pretty wild. So, yeah, this is going to go on my wall somewhere, but yeah, we're going to use this bat. And so if you see this at PMTS and there's dings and dents on it, that means we had some fun with it. So I hope to see you guys at the show.